I just feel so grateful that you chose me to be the one to make memories with, to start a family with, and to grow up with. And I know we didn't make our own vows, but as of now, right now, I vow to you that I'll do everything within and beyond my power to make you as happy.
You're smaller, at least when you get in the way, you'll be smaller.
Pressed against your eyelid,
That's why it's even lower.
body dressed against the cold. Torn in by the ghost of autumn, solid.
It's customary at this point for me to offer some words of wisdom to the happy couple. Chloe and Elliot, as you begin this new chapter together, our wish for you is to enjoy, to always cherish and respect one another. Remember to communicate openly and be each other's biggest cheerleaders. A successful marriage is not about finding a person that you can live with, but finding a person that you can't live without. You have found that with each other. Please join me in raising your glasses to Chloe and Elliot. May your lives be filled with an abundance of love, laughter, and countless beautiful memories. To the newlyweds.
Heartbeats swaying with the tide, squander all that's left of daylight. Your eyes staring into mine, feeling.
I give you this ring
It's a sign of our marriage,
as a sign of our marriage,
and as a symbol of my love.
and thus a symbol of my love.
I promise to care for you,
I promise to care for you,
respect you,
respect you,
love you,
love you,
and cherish you.
and cherish you.
Wear it with pride and happiness,
Wear it with pride and happiness,
now and always.
now and always.
Skin against my own skin.
I give you this ring
As a sign of our marriage,
as a sign of our marriage
and as a symbol of my love.
and as a symbol of my love.
I promise to care for you,
I promise to care for you,
respect you,
respect you,
love you,
love you,
and cherish you.
and cherish you.
Wear it with pride and happiness,
Wear it with pride and happiness,
now and always.
now and always.
Thank you. As from this moment, I pronounce you husband and wife.
it is just to offer some words of wisdom to you both. And I just want to say that you both met at university, and the words of wisdom that I would provide is, though you met there, life is about learning and learning from one another. So I hope you both continue to learn and adapt and pay attention to each other's needs, and together you will become the most amazing couple. And we're all here to support you.